now that you shot that, are you allowed to shoot other ones?
Yeah, sure. Totally fine.
Okay.
I'm totally fine.
Louder.
Yeah.
There we go.
Just went with the basic one for now.
Oh my God, Dad.
There was already one in there.
How the hell did I know that? Because you asked me. I told you.
Nice.
Jesus.
Wow. If you stay on the sides of this gun, you can feel the gas
Yeah,
is
you can
coming.
feel it.
Yeah. Because the
Feel
compensator.
the air. I want to do the shotgun.
Oh yeah. Boom. I wanna do Athena.
You want to do
This
a
one's really hard.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Athena.
Olha pra mim.
She is a beauty.
I'm filming too.
Basically, whatever maybe the robot. Last shot. On it?
Yeah. So you're gonna hold it like this, or you can hold it.
Nice. Okay, everyone, this is Athena.
Yeah.
Look at her. She's pretty.
Okay,
Very
what's this?
nice.
You need to
Very
Also
nice.
does this, you know.
Oh,
Hey.
Long range. Is at your house. Close
yeah.
combat, long range. All right. Or you got your.
It doesn't have a bullet. It doesn't have a bullet button. No.
Yeah, it's just.
What about this?
It's California.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I can't. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I can't. It's not. She's. Don't make fun of her, all right? She's a beautiful woman, all right?
Sorry, Athena. Sorry. I'm sorry.
She's gonna jam on you and she's gonna like shoot around back at you.
No, I doubt she's. Okay, how is here?
No, it's gonna be.
Oh no, I need to put it
Oh,
first.
I was like, wait, what's going on?
Okay, so do you have my blessing to go out with Athena?
Not to go out, but you can use her to shoot and kill things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got right here.
Nice.
There you
Okay. Brazilian ammo, CBC. Look at CBC. So let's go.
Yeah, you gotta kill her.
Gotta make sure she's dead.
They eat her and you have to.
Doesn't hurt, doesn't kick at all.
You
have a red dot.
She looks very aggressive, but she's beautiful.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, she's elegant as fuck.
Okay.
She's
Basically,
graceful.
like you know the Avengers.
Oh, that red dot's amazing. I can
She
see
looks
right
scary,
away.
But she's really, really hot. That's pretty much what Athena is.
Yeah.
She's just like, yeah, it would me up. But in reality, she just loves me. And she
There you
wants
go.
to help me
Which
out.
one is
That's
the-
great. She has a good
For the
hold.
head now.
That's what I was wondering.
She's round and I like her for that. Okay.
Nice.
Hey, not bad. Hey,
She's a babe.
You've already tried this.
Yeah. The smell is amazing.
This what?
Yeah, I love
Smells
this.
great.
I love that smell.
Next time my brother was gonna shoot an AR-15. Let me stay on this side.
Oh,
That was in the middle, though, I think.
yeah, that was.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the green, it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
That was.
God.
It's just a little thought.
No, I got this. The green wasn't here. Nobody had this.
That's from his.
What? That was my second.
This is how that feels
The green was
That might that one wasn't there when I did it though.
No way.
You got I got here and then landed like this. You definitely hit the middle.
Like it?
I saw the paper flying out the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
I'll do it if I like it.
Okay.
So, okay. It's boom, boom.
My advice is, hold it.
This is an AR like I guess it would be the M16A3 platform.
Okay.
But it doesn't have burst. It just has single because it's California.
Yeah.
So, but the rifle that I had of the Marines, that was the A3, I believe.
So it was burst.
Yeah. So it was single and
Semi, burst, and safe. Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Nice.
we didn't in the Marines we don't believe in fully automatic. We believe in precision fire.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Full auto is mostly for suppressing fire.
yeah, but
yeah.
even then it's like you can suppress the shit out of somebody with single.
Yeah.
Especially because all you gotta do is do.
Yeah.
It's a lot more accurate and more efficient than going.
Yeah.
You know? Especially when you have something like this, where it's 30 rounds, where you have a machine gun.
Yeah.
And it's meant to suppress.
Yeah.
I would rather suppress somebody with 200 than 300.
Yeah.
I would rather have precision with 30 than like a crazy suppression for like 3 seconds and then just be done. Where you have a machine gun where it's just
Yeah, it's kind of a waste of ammo
yeah,
too.
exactly.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I want that one.
Oh,
I want that one.
Making sure that it goes from all the way from here too.
You will laugh after.
Your body will absorb it. So I used to do this too. Shoot hundreds of slugs.
Can I go one more time?
He has to go left-handed like that to do that.
Yeah. Switch hands all the time.
Being left-handed sucks. Probably like is this right? I think. Yeah. I was here. Yeah, a little bit down to the left.
Muito bom.
Two seconds.
2 seconds between.
God dang it, Rambo.
Am I filming?
Yeah.
Is it recorded?
Nice.
Nice.
Number 1 moving target.
He's an instructor too. Marine instructor.
Comes on my road. Breaking
How
my
dare you?
rules.
What's up with that? Breaking the rules like.
Just one more.
One more.
Yeah. Because it hurts.
They always want to show off for the group.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Who's going?
Shut some more, man.
No, I'm fine.
Go ahead, shoot
I need to
some
rest.
more.
I need to drink some water. Yeah.
okay.
Need to go to the bathroom. Yeah.
Dores nos ombros são uma das principais causas de procura de ortopedista.
I'll go. Right.
Yeah, you need to put that. It's all safe. You need to put it on fire and grab the. Yeah. Nice.
There's gonna be a mark here. Boom! Look at this. Boom! Yeah.
I got my bloodlust, dude. I got my bloodlust and I was shooting it. I was like, yeah. More.
Yeah.
I need more. And then that's why
Yes.
I was like, wait, slow down. I was like, uh-oh. Go ahead.
Athena, remember me? Remember me, Athena? I'll be nice to you. Okay, it's already loaded.
Out of movement. Somebody coming out on.
I have an idea. Let's try the hostage one with the shot. Let's see if we can save the cheerleader.
I think it's excuse me.
I'm gonna save you, bro.
Badass. And you're not.
Hey.
Not bad, Sabrina. Not bad.
Like a call. Oh, that gun is so good.
Damn, I wanted to send him down, right?
There we go. Whoa.
Ah.
Really good.
No, one more. I have one more.
A little lower.
A little lower. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Fresh target.
Are you showing the target?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
10 rounds. I'll try to shoot only 2. Fast. 1 in each head. 20 yards.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Just shred. Wreck. Got wrecked.
I missed.
You missed.
Yeah. Now I hit him.
Slower, slower.
Okay.
You saved
He's dead. Yeah. Safe?
You saved him?
They're dead, probably. Let me see.
Yeah.
I think they're dead.
Yeah. One in the top head right before.
Oh, yeah. One right here.
Slow, slow.
Here. Yeah.
He's doing that again.
Yeah, they're dead.
Ainda bem.
Almost killed her.
Random ones off to the top over there.
Yeah.
What is that?
I was alternating.
What is that?
Yeah. I was alternating. One here, we're here. So it's harder
You
to.
almost got her.
No.
You got
Yeah.
her. Gave her a haircut.
That's just the head. Yeah, she's good. Yeah, she's okay. She's okay.